Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your iPhone lock screen with the iOS 16 update. What we need to do is hold down your screen and then click the little blue plus icon. And now we can customize it. So you can pick this from your photos, people, emojis, or one of Apple's pre-made ones. And then once you've found one you like, you click on it, and you can tap on the words to change the font and colour. When you're happy with your colour, you just tap back on your lock screen. And now we can add widgets. You can add things like weather, mail, clock, stocks, or even the calendar. Here I'm adding Apple's fitness. This pairs with my watch. This photo allows me to decide how I want it to sit, so I'm just playing with this. Now that I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to press Add. You can set this as a wallpaper pair or customize your home screen. You can again pick this from photos or just a standard colour. Once you've made a decision, you can click out and there you go.